Hey Class FitSugar, my name is Rachel McClusky, and today we are going to be doing a 15-minute towel sculpt. So just grab any old towel laying around and let's get started. Now I want you to put some tension on the towel, so pull it straight and then little bend in your knees, tuck your tailbone, and we're just gonna lift up and lower. Beautiful. So take it up. Keep your shoulders dropped away from your ears. Good. 2 more. Go 2. Let's just wake the body up and get used to using the towel. Hold it up right here. Your right leg is gonna come forward. Exhale, round your spine, come forward. Good. Drop. Exhale, round. Beautiful. Really keeping tension on the towel the whole time. That's it. 2 more. 2. Now you're gonna take your leg out to the right and then twist, touch down. You're gonna start to feel it in your shoulders right away. I also want you to feel it in your standing leg and your obliques. 4 more. Good. 3. Whoo! 2. We are waking it up right here. Alternate it and then come forward. Good. 7. Exhale. Round your spine, pull forward. That's it. 4 more. Never underestimate a towel sculpt, yeah? Good. 2. Last one. Hold it here. Come up and down. Lift and drop. 3 more. Again, dropping your shoulders down, belly button in towards your spine to engage your core. That's it. Last one. Hold it up. Left leg in front. Round your spine. Come forward. Crunch. Yes. A lot of times people wonder how they can do core, not on their backs or in a plank. This is your answer right here. 3 more. Whoo! 2. Last one, take it out to the side. Exhale, twist. And just pull your knee in. Nice. 6. Beautiful. And then extend your arms all the way. 4 more. 3, we're almost there. 2, alternate the forward crunch right here. Exhale, round. Can you point your toes? Can you bring just a little bit more here? Ha. Can you connect your breath to the movement? Lean into it. Yes. Let's go 8 more, and then we'll switch it up just a little bit. 8. Pull the towel tight. Yes, we can. Good. Waking the body up, really feeling the intention seal through the body. 4 more. 3, 2, last one. Hold it here. You're gonna come to the side, twist. This is how we finish. Little more core work. Again, belly button in towards your spine. Twist, twist. Yes. 4 more, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whoo! Shake your shoulders out for just a moment. All right, let's activate the arms a little bit. So you are going to take your towel out. Pull it tight. Drop your shoulders away from your ears. Same stance as we just did for the core. And we're gonna start really simple, little pulses. Little pulses. So just lift and lower, super small. Sometimes it helps me to step side to side so that I can stop thinking about how much this really activates the shoulders, or you can just stand still, whatever feels best. In 4, 3, 2, now take it up and halfway down. Good, drop your shoulders down. And again, I want the towel to feel like there's tension on it the whole time. That's where we really feel it. 2 more. Now hold it up, pull down right here, so behind your head. You're gonna squeeze your shoulder blades together. Squeeze. Nice. 4 more, go 4, 3, we're gonna change positions. 2, last one, hinge forward, towel comes behind you. Good, lift, and palms are facing up, yeah? And then gaze in front of your body. 4 more, 3, last 2, last one. Now we're gonna pulse up 8 counts and we're back to the top, go 8. Nice, 7, whoo! Triceps on fire. Keep breathing, go 4, little hip shake if you want it. 3, good, 2, 1, right back to the top, pull the towel tight, lift up, pulse, lift. Drop your shoulders down. Round 2. This towel gets in my shoulders, whoo, in a way that you really wouldn't think that it does, but it does. When you're ready, lift and then halfway down. Up, halfway, lift. Beautiful. Pull the towel a little bit tighter. Good, 4 more. 4, keep the little bend in your knees. 3, 2, hold it up, and then you're gonna pull down, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Nice, squeeze. And you can always pull in on your towel a little bit if you want a little more intensity. 4 more. 3, good, 2. Again, switch the towel behind you, lift, lower, full range, lift. Nice, squeeze your triceps, and then look about right here in front of you. Lift, bend your knees, flat back. 2 more. Last one, can you hold it up, pulse it, 8, we got this. We're almost there, we're almost there. 6, say yes to it, come back to the intention that you set, especially in these moments when our arms are on fire. 4, 3, 2, 1, whoo! Give yourself a little towel party. Whew, we're gonna give our shoulders a break. So if you are on hardwood floor, make sure to fold up your towel. This is perfect. If you're working on carpet, you can grab paper plates, you can grab gliders, and let's get going. And then you're gonna drop it down underneath your right foot. Left foot is gonna stay planted. You're gonna bend, hinge from the hips, pull back, and then you are gonna slide your foot out directly to the side, and then slide back in. Your inner thigh is gonna activate, so let's get started. When you're ready, drop, lift. So you are really using your left leg to pull you back up. And the right inner thigh should be activated. So good. 4 more. Lift, pull your weight back, squeeze your glutes at the top. 2 more. 2, last one, hold it down. Now you're gonna pull it in. Pull in, take it long, stay hinged forward. Beautiful. In, take it out, good. Whoo! 2 more, 2 more. These arms are optional. If you wanna put your hands on your hips, you can totally do that. Last one, take it long, pulse it down. 8. Think like you're cleaning your floors right here, yeah? A little Windex, choo-choo, and then, do you clean your floors with Windex? I don't think so. Good. Then 4 more, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, whoo! Shake it out, and then same thing on the other side. When you're ready, pull your weight back, and then lift up. Here we go, to the beat of the music. Pull back, lift. Beautiful. Can you pull your belly button in towards your spine? Can you connect to your breath? And I know in the beginning I said to set an intention. How do you want to feel? Confident, powerful, stronger, whatever that is, let that be what pushes you further. 4 more. 4, lift, 3, woo! 2 more. Last one, hold it down, pull it in, take it in, extend. Nice. Again, you are really activating the inner thigh. Pull your weight back. 4 more. 4, can you go 1 inch lower? There we go. 3, 2 more. 2, last one, hold it out long. Pulses. 8, pull the weight back. Breathe. Whew. Say yes. Say yes. Come back to the intention. We have 8 counts. Yes, we can. 8, 7, 6. Whoo! Almost there. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Take a breath. We are going to keep using our legs, keep working the legs. So I just want you to shake it out for a moment. Whoo! 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right, let's keep moving our legs. You are gonna bring your right foot on top of the towel, left foot forward, and we are gonna come back into a low lunge, keeping your back leg extended and lifting up, maybe falling over a little bit on the first one. We'll get our balance together. When you're ready, keep it slow. Drop, lift up. Good. Take it back. Can you extend your arms overhead and then squeeze your glutes at the top? Good. Back. Woo! 4 more. 4. Lift up. Beautiful. So your left leg should be on fire here, yes? 2 more. 2 more. Come back. Knee stacks right above your ankle. Last one, I want you to hold it down. Right here, pull in, take it long. Now, your option is to bring your arms by your side or keep them extended. Maybe your shoulders still need a breather, all good. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, hold it out. Now swipe to the side. If you lose your towel, it's okay. I've lost it 100 times doing this move. Whoo! Good, 4, 3, breathe. Almost there, 2. Last one, whoo! Shake it out, switch sides. Towel comes under the left foot, little bend in your right knee. When you're ready, take it back, long extension. Back, pull the weight back, lift up. Big inhale, big exhale, good. Take it back, lift up. So again, your right glute really has to activate as you pull your weight up. 4 more. 4, lift. That's it. Last 3. Good. 2 more. 2 more. 2. Yes, we can. Last one. Hold it down again. Hands by your hips or extended long. Pull it in 8 times. 8. And then really think about pressing your foot back. Yes. Lean into the challenge. Leaning in when it gets a little bit uncomfortable, yeah? 3 more. 2. Last one, take it around. 8. 7, so good. Again, just sweeping to the side. Look at how clean your floor is gonna be. 4 more. 4. Come 3. 2. Last one, ditch the towel, bring your feet together, pull your weight back, breathe. Big inhale, I'm gonna come face you. Big exhale, we hold here for 10 seconds before we drop to the floor. Drop your shoulders. I might have lied when I said 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoo! All right, this is our last one on the floor. You are gonna grab your towel and we're gonna move into a plank. So high plank, shoulders right above your wrist, kick through your heels. Belly button in towards your spine. When you're ready, we pull in, extend, in, and then drive your knee in, beautiful. Whoo, 4 more. If you need a modifier at any point, drop your knee down, take a breath. Good, swipe to the side, 8. This is gonna feel real similar to what we just did, but in a plank position. 4 more, 4. It's okay if it moves this far, yeah? Last 2, last one. Now both feet come on top of the towel. When you're ready, we're gonna lift up, come forward, good. Lift, and then back to a plank. If this is too advanced, hold your plank and just lean into it. 4 more, 4. Yes, make sure there's enough room on your towel. 3, whew, 2 more, 2. Last one, beautiful. Pull it back, take a quick child's pose, pull your weight back. Big inhale, big exhale, last minute 20 of class, yeah? Everything that you have left, put the towel underneath your left foot. Let the intention come full circle right here. When you're ready, pull it in. 8. Good, drive your knee in, nice and close to the body, beautiful. Again, modify, drop your knee down. Listen to what feels best for your body today, but we have less than a minute. Take it out. 8. Whoo! Breathe out. Good, 4 more. 4, 3, drop your hips down 1 inch. 2, last one, take it behind you. Both feet come on top of the towel. Hold it. Take a big inhale. Big exhale. Say yes. Say yes. Just for a moment, say yes to it. We have 8 pikes. And then we're there in 3, 2, 1. Lift. Whoo! Good, pike up, lift. Plank forward. Last 6. Lean into it. Lean into it. 4 more, we're there, 4 more. 4. Come back, good. 3. Core on fire, whoo! 2. Last one, last one. And take it to a child's pose. And just like that, whoo! That is your towel sculpt. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next Class FitSugar.